Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the last little splash whale in Heartopia. This is day 16. So I'm right at the camp and you're just going to head to the Jellyfish Cove. So the Jellyfish Cove is to the right, but you're going to take the path to the left and you're just going to keep going until I tell you to stop and show you guys where it is. It's like on top of the corals, so we're almost there. And that is where the whale is. It is the iridescent whale. It is super pretty. Again, don't forget to take a picture. Okay, here is where it is on the map if you guys want to know. And yeah, don't forget to take a picture. And also, I just still give it a little boop. I know some people said that I don't need to, but I don't know. It's up to you guys whether or not you want to, but it's my OCD as well because I've been doing it for the past few days, so I have to. Also, the bubble is right here. It is going to be around the area of the whale, the location of the whale. And don't forget to claim the grand prize, which is 5,000 Fashion Wave tokens. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.